Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of showing your birth date to your mutually following accounts in X. By sharing your birth date, you can allow those you mutually follow to celebrate and connect with you on your special day. So, let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Locate the X icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're inside X, look for the account icon situated at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings menu, find and tap on the profile option. This will take you to your profile settings. Step 4. On your profile page, you'll notice your header picture. Tap on it to reveal additional options. Step 5. From the options menu, select Edit Profile. This will allow you to make changes to your profile details. Step 6. Inside the profile editing screen, locate the privacy settings for your birth date. You'll find two options: You Follow Eachother and Private. Step 7. To show your birth date specifically to the accounts you mutually follow, switch both options to You Follow Eachother. This will make your birth date visible only to those who you follow and who also follow you back. Step 8. Take a moment to review your changes and ensure that both options are set to You Follow Eachother. Congratulations! You have successfully shown your birth date to your mutually following accounts in X. Your profile will now display your birth date, allowing those you mutually follow to celebrate and connect with you on your special day. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to show your birth date to your mutually following accounts in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.